Hello everyone, we are here with Matthias Kunkel in Cologne. He is the general manager of the ILIAS Society, and we are going to ask some questions about the ILIAS conference which will be held in Bologna in September. Hi Matthias.
Hi, Ilario.
Matthias, what do you think about having the International ILIAS Conference again in attendance and live finally?
Oh, I'm so happy about that because we had 2 years of conferences remotely online, and I'm so happy to see these people again, and I'm sure people, our ILIAS community members, they will happy to see each other again and exchange experiences. So it's great event, and I'm very looking forward to this event.
Thank you, Matthias. What do you expect about this International ILIAS Conference?
Yeah, what the interesting thing is, we going from Cologne to Bologna. So we are going to Italy again. I think it's the third time we are in Italy, and this meeting of our German community, of the international community with the Italian ILIAS users will be very interesting, because okay, it's all Europe, but all these countries have their own e-learning culture, and I think it could be very interesting, fruitful combination and bringing together people. So I think it could be a very interesting conference in a lovely place, of course.
Great. Why do you think it is important to participate?
Well, if you know ILIAS and if you are an ILIAS user, then ILIAS conferences are always a very good place to exchange experiences, to see what do the others, and maybe to make plans together for projects together. And if you are new to ILIAS, then it's, I think, also the best moment to see what is possible, what other peoples do already, to get influenced, to get new ideas of how e-learning could look like. So for me, ILIAS conferences are always very interesting, rich of experiences, rich of new ideas. Yeah, the best event for all who are using ILIAS and interested in e-learning.
Great. And among the themes, the topics that will be at the conference, which one is closer to you?
Difficult, because there's the program committee tried to offer a broad spectrum. Maybe diversity, because diversity, and not only in the meaning of offering e-learning for different kind of persons or for persons with disabilities or things like that, but diversity in the meaning of how different, how interesting e-learning could be, how different approaches are existing, not doing always standard out-of-the-box e-learning, but really in different ways. Maybe I expected very interesting presentations for that topic, but of course others like Back to the Future will also be very interesting to see. Back to the Future. That's quite challenging topics. So I think we will get a good program this year.
Thank you, Matthias. We can just say join the ILIAS conference, and we are waiting for you. Bye.
Bye.